Igbo is the language spoken by the Igbo people.
Hello! Welcome back to Igbo Online College, where I teach you everything you need to know about the Igbo language, the Igbo literature, and culture. Rinne. Ọ bụrụ na ife Igbo na-amasị gị, ọ bụrụ na ịchọ ịmụta Igbo nke ọma, biko bute oche gị, weta akwụkwọ na mkpịsị odee gị ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Ọ dị mma, taa anyị ga-amụ ụfọdụ ngwa. Today we are going to learn some verbs, some Igbo verbs. I've said it before, Igbo is a verbal language. Igbo is a verb language. If you learn all the verbs in Igbo, you have practically learned Igbo. That is the truth. That is the fact. So whenever Igbo verb is taught, please pay attention, because you're going to learn more than just the verb. You're going to learn some nouns as well, some vocabularies, because Igbo verbs go alongside nouns. Alright? So today we're going to be talking about the verbs of being. Remember, I am teaching those that do not understand Igbo. I want billions of people, Igbo and non-Igbo people alike, to learn Igbo. So I could mix. Alright? Some people keep on asking me, why do you speak English? I could mix for the benefit of people that do not understand Igbo at all. Alright? So let's delve right into it. Before then, please remember to subscribe if you've not done so. If you've been watching my videos, thank you. Thank you. If you have shared my video, thank you. Thank you. Dalo. I do not take it for granted at all. So please subscribe, share, like, and comment. So today I'll be teaching you verbs of being. Verbs of being. Verbs of being are verbs we use in Igbo to say how things are, what somebody is, how something is, where something or someone is. So we have these verbs. Igbo, the verb to be someone or something. Igbo, the verb to be someone or something. In English, it is simply translated as is, is. The other verb is the, the verb to possess a quality, or the verb to be somewhere, that is for inanimate objects. The next one is the verb ino. Is to be somewhere, used for human beings and animals to be at. These are the verbs we're going to be learning in this video. So keep watching. So we go over to number 1, the verb to be. Igbo. That is the infinitive form of the verb. Igbo. The verb to be someone or something, like your profession, you're a graduate, or whatever you are, whoever you are. Example: Abum onye nkuzi. I am a teacher. Abum onye nkuzi. I am a teacher. Igbo onye nkuzi. You are a teacher. Igbo dibia bekee. You are a medical doctor. Ọ ọka ikpe. He or she is a judge. Ọ ọka ikpe. He or she is a judge. Nwanne m, my sibling. Nwanne m bụ ọka iwu. My sibling is a lawyer. Nwanne m bụ ọka iwu. My sibling is a lawyer. Enyi m nwanyị bụ engineer. My girlfriend is an engineer. Enyi m nwoke bụ engineer. My boyfriend is an engineer. So you get what I mean. Abụ m nwoke, I'm a man. Abụ m nwanyị, I am a lady, I'm a female. I'm a woman. Abụ m nwanyị. Ọ bụ nwoke, he or she, he is a man. Ọ bụ nwoke, he is a man. Ọ bụ nwanne m, he or she is my sibling. So you understand the use of bụ. It is used to say what somebody is or who somebody is. So you just use the pattern ọ bụ, then you can add the profession or whatever the person is. Abum, if you're talking of about yourself, you use abum, then you add whatever you are, whether profession or whatever you want to add at the end. So the construction is abum for yourself, obo for another person, he or she, anibo, we are, habo, they are, then you add the profession. Do you understand that? Yes, I know you understood. So let's go to the next verb. Ed. Ed, the verb to be. To be, it is translated is also in English. So you say, Ode Ocha. Ode Ocha. He or she is fair in complexion. Ode Oji. He or she is dark in complexion. Adim Oji, I am dark in complexion. I am dark. Adim Oji. Adim Oji. Ode Ocha. Odim Mkpumkpu, he is short. Ode Mkpumkpu, he is short. Ode Njọ, he is wicked, he is bad. Nnem dị oji, my mother is dark. Ịdị mpọmpọ. Ịdị mpọmpọ. To be mpọmpọ means you are chubby and you are not tall. Ịdị mpọmpọ, you are mpọmpọ. When you are chubby, fresh, not tall, but chubby, somebody can say ịdị mpọmpọ. The second use of the verb ed is to indicate where something is, not a human being. Where something, an inanimate object, an inanimate something is. Ọ dị nso, it is close. Ọ dị nso, it is close. Ọ dị nso, it is close. Now, if you want to say that a human being is close by, a human being is close, you say ọ nọ nso. You don't say ọ dị nso. Ọ nọ nso for humans. Ọ dị nso for objects. So ọ dị nso, ọ dị n'elu oche, it is on the chair. Ọ dị n'elu akwa, it is on the bed. Ọ dị ebe a, it is here. Ọ dị ebe ahụ, it is there. Ekwentị m dị n'akpa gị. Ekwentị m dị n'akpa gị. My phone is inside your bag. My phone is in your bag. My phone is in your bag. Ekwentị m dị n'ime akpa gị. My phone is inside your bag. Do you get that? So your assignment is use the construction, then add other places. Now, I want to quickly chip in again. I've said it, I say it in most of my videos. If you are learning to speak Igbo, don't wait till you learn all the vocabularies. Learn the construction, you can add English. Make sure you use Igbo. That is the ultimate goal. Even if it is a word, be using, then be adding your vocabularies. Because when you speak, you tend to boost your confidence about in speaking the language. So continue speaking. Don't stop speaking. All right, the next verb is ino. Ino. To be at. Ino. To be at. The funny thing is, all these verbs are translated in English as is. Is on, is there, hey. So, ino is to be at, but this time it is used for living things. Human beings and animals, not trees. Human beings and animals. Anom n'ụlọ, I'm at home. Anom n'ụlọ, I am at home. Anom n'ụlọ, I am at home. Anom ebe a, I am here. Anom ebe a, I am here. Ọ nọ be gị, he or she is in your house. Ọ nọ n'ụlọ ụka, he or she is in the church. Ọ nọ n'ahịa, he is in the market. Ọ nọ n'ụlọ ahịa, he or she is in the mall. Ọ nọ na Mr. Biggs, ọ nọ na McDonald's, he or she is in McDonald's, in Mr. Biggs. So you can just use the construction. Ọ nọ, he or she is at. Then you add the place, whether it is in English or in Igbo. Just add a place. Use ọ nọ, he or she is at or in. Anom, for talking about yourself. Anom na McDonald's. I am at McDonald's. So you can use anom for yourself, then you add the place. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. I will attend to your questions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for sticking around. Please do subscribe and share this video. Deme, down, kemesia.